Yeah, I always have to have my camera.
What's that?
No, I always have to have my camera recording.
Working, yeah.
No, just... Oh, you almost hit me right there.
No, I did. There you go.
Yes, you did. Oh, man. Yeah, no, Yeah, see how you drive. It's pretty bad. That's pretty bad how you drive. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no.
Now you got to go ahead and start the car.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I do after I close the door, not before. Yeah, shut up. Retard.
Interested in the plantar fasciitis study, call Center for Clinical Research at 800-363-1069. That's 800-363-1069. Call 800-363-1069.
Move out of the way,
or visit our
dumbass.
website, www.healmyfoot.com.
Americans pay about $5 billion to control termite and repair their damage every year. There's no question that termites can be destructive, but many people underestimate exactly how much damage yikes these little buggers can do to a home. Termites cause more property damage every year than thunderstorms, blizzards, earthquakes, and floods combined. Termite damage may not even be covered by your home insurance policy, which means you're often left to pay the bill. Call Pacific Coast Termite today at 800-PACIFIC. Now, even if you don't think you have termites, still call Pacific Coast Termite for a free home inspection. Certain restrictions apply. No tenting, no double bagging your food, no pet sitting. Get 10% off termite treatment and a 2-year guarantee on their work. Call 800-PACIFIC, 800-PACIFIC, or go to PacificCoastTermite.com.
Pacific Coast Termite! Sales on top-rated Samsung, LG, and Sony TVs? The answer is surprising. It's not online, and it's not the Warehouse Club. The best deals on top-rated TVs are at video only. Don't believe it? Then check out the trade-in deals at video only. $500 for your old TV. Try doing that online. Before you buy that new TV, drop into video only. If you don't, you'll be sorry. Danger lurks around every corner. Workplace accidents can happen, but there is an easy way to keep your employees covered.
To the top of the hour, get your call straight ahead, 800. Sign 41 Sean if you want to be a part of the program. I've been talking for months about how these nonsense ridiculous
The guy behind me almost fucking hit me. You know how the rich are. Fucking assholes. Fucking assholes up here.